Project Direct is a buying philosophy that is intended to recognize the efforts of the growers. The intention of the program is to reach out to the farm level, understand much closer what they're doing there, and reward them for all their efforts. Many of these farmers know how to contact me, and I start hearing from them. What did you think of my coffee? They want to know. It also gives them a sense of pride that they're producing something that someone really cares about. Project Direct involves having them sign off with their signature on receipts, having adjustments made for improved quality after the coffee arrives and gets vetted through, and having them sign off on receipts that they got paid there. Again, we're guaranteeing that those farmers are getting paid based on the agreements that we have, which are above fair trade prices. We're auditing that to make sure that that's in fact happening.
Project Direct is our first direct trade project where we're actually getting involved in a level with transparency all the way back to the farms. We're having a direct relationship with farmers in northern Peru. It's a project we've really been pushing to get into. When you're in the coastal area of Peru, it's very dry and arid. It's a desert, it's a coastal desert. As you go over the Andes have an extreme elevation change, and they also have a rain shadow. The rain in the area of Peru is all coming off the Amazon rainforest. So once you cross over the coastal part of the range and get over into the Amazon side, it starts to get really green. The farms generally will start off at the peak of a hill, and they'll be you'll walk down into the farm. So most of the farms that we looked at were over 1,600 meters. So very nice altitude for growing coffee. Generally going to get very good acidity and density out of the coffee beans at that altitude. Very, very excellent soil in the area. Now all these farms are family run. So when you see all these farmers in the picture, most of them have farms in the area. And a lot of the farmers help each other with their picking. Coffee picking is very hard work. Coffee cherries aren't all ripe at the same time, so they have to be very selective when they pick. We want to make sure that we're helping in the best way we can to make the quality of life down there very good for them and help make sure that they are able to stay in farming and not have the younger generations leave because they don't see there's any future in it. Having a direct relationship is something that involves a lot of time on our part and getting to know the farmers and the association members. A lot of people say they have a direct trade because they buy it through an importer that brings it in, but we are actually trying to take that above that level to where we actually go to the farms during harvest, cup the coffees down there, see how their stuff is, how the quality is, and talk with them about what we're seeing and to survey everything that's down there.
So we look at this as this is the right thing to do. It's something that we have interest by our customers because they feel strongly about this is the right thing to do. There are also importers and exporters out there that feel the same way. You're looking for transparency, you're looking for a way to really understand the needs of that farm level and do what you can to help support that. There's so many people in the industry that consume coffee that care so much about that. And in most cases, they're just looking for that opportunity. It puts us in a position where we go home at night and we really understand that we've done something that makes a difference.